The situation here of living in a urban, suburban, small lot, tight-knit community, but backing on to pastoral environment is really quite transporting. My grandfather was from Galicia, which was Ukraine. I've never been there, but I have a real sense of the territory and whatnot, and it so resembles here. I cannot now look at this field out here and think, how long will it be before we see American tanks rumbling past? This is what sold the house. It happens to face due east-west alignment with the rising and setting sun. And me being of my age, 77 currently, where you start to reflect on life and the world a little more deeply, perhaps. The daily observation of the sun rising and setting, I just had to start capturing it and keeping it. Just watching the passage of the days, trying to understand one's own reason for being or one's own place in the world and in nature, and realizing we are just a part of nature. We're not an exception in any way, shape, or form, and not hierarchically or otherwise. It's just taken me to a great spiritual grasp on the world.
Hi there, I'm Dwight Storing, producer of this video series, and thank you for watching to the end of the video. You know, I would really love to know just how light, love, and joy enter your life. Leave me a comment below and let me know.